Hi guys! So I finished the Mitered Granny Square blanket and I just wanted to come on and give you details as far as how much yarn that I used and the measurements of the completed blanket. So each square is about 6 inches square. So I did 10 by 12, so I got 120 squares in all. The blanket measures about 60 inches by 73 inches. With the border, and the border's just doesn't add a whole lot to it. And as far as the yarn goes, you'll need 5 of the white. I use the I Love This Yarn white, and they're 7-ounce skeins. And then the soft blue, I used 2 skeins. The medium blue, you'll need 3. And the navy, you'll need 3. And then the border that I chose, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this is a crochet borders book by Edie Eckman. Hope I pronounced her name right. And I just am in love with this book. This border that I chose is on this page. I'm gonna have to blur out the actual pattern itself, but just wanted to show you this cute little how it looks. And this is just one of many. What I really love about this book is this directory that's in the back, and it shows all of the different types of borders that are in the book. I just love this. It's better than an index. And then there's 2 pages, so 125 different borders, plus this A through N. These are just, what does she call them? She calls them border designs. So there's a few, just, you can mix and match. You can do parts of different borders, and it's just a super cool book. So if you want to, I just got this on Amazon. I'll link this below in the description where you can get it. And I just think it's awesome. There's actually the second book of hers about borders. There's another one with about 150 borders. This one's got 139 altogether. And so it's a little overwhelming, but it is really neat to have a whole lot of them to choose from. So anyway, that is all I wanted to share on this. You can get the pattern, link it in the description below and in the comments. And so those are free. It's just a Google Doc that I'll share with you. I am working on a couple of other blankets, and those are corner to corner. Show some pictures here, and those will be the next thing that I'm going to be posting, is the tutorials on how I did those. So looking forward to those videos, and for now we'll see you on another video. Have a great day. Bye.